All right, guys, it's teardown time with this 2TG. So it's been a long time since I've torn one of these down. So we're gonna get in there, pull this guy apart, and see what she looks like. So gonna get a little box to put all these parts in. And yeah, let's see what this thing looks like. Probably in really good shape. Looks like it's been sitting a long time. So as long as there's no rust in the cylinders. All right, so we are completely torn apart, man. The head looks to be in really great shape. The only thing was it had some old spark plugs in there, so I let some oil sit in there. These, you can see the threads a little chewed up, but I think the plug thread should be fine. Other than that, cam bores, journals look great, man. The head looks to be in really good shape. Lifters look good. Underneath of the head looks good, so I'm gonna pull the valve springs out now. That's the next thing I'm gonna do, and get all the valves out of it, see what size valves and all that stuff, and see how much room we have as far as porting. I'm gonna knock the guides out as well. We're probably gonna put some bronze guides in it, make them custom with Pro Valve Racing, of course. And man, everything looked great. Like I said, here's the crank, Old Faithful 2TC crank, great shape as well. Valve cover, here's the block. Unfortunately, this is an older 2T block, so it's really narrow, so we're gonna have to source a 3TC block to get the 3T crank in there, because we might be doing a little surprise. I'm not gonna mention right now. I will once it gets closer, but this, like I said, guys, this is gonna be a really radical build. So but again, good shape 2T block, everything looks good. Here are the original cams that came out of it. Good shape as well. Pistons, I put them away. Where did I put the pistons? I put them away somewhere with all the remainder parts, front cover and all that stuff I stashed away from taking this thing apart. So yeah, man, I'm really happy how the motor looks. He's happy, everything's in good shape. We were worried, you know, from sitting for so long. If you saw in that time-lapse video, it was hard to get even the head gasket off. That thing was stuck on there like glue. But hey, it's good. It's an original motor. I think he said from man, 1990 something this motor's been sitting and hasn't done anything. Luckily it's been indoors and kept away and been in good shape. So all right, guys, we are gonna move forward with this build, man. I'll give you guys the next update once I get the head apart. We start porting the head. We're gonna send the cams out to get made, and pistons are already ordered. That's on the way. Rods are already ordered, and I'll get you guys an update video soon. Take it easy, guys. Bye.